So this part of the video I'll show you how to load or unload filament. We're going to use a Flashforge Dreamer, which is a dual nozzle printer, which means that you can have two different colours of filament attached to the left and right hand side. So this one here is operated by the control panel, so you'd click onto Tools, Filament, and then choose whether you are loading or unloading the left or right hand side. So if we go over to this machine, which has already started to heat up, I'll take the blue filament. So that piece had broken away. So what I will do now is take a second piece, or the remainder of the roll, and feed it through this tube. And as you can see, it starts to come out the top. And then I'm going to carefully take the filament and feed it into the top here. And you should be able to feel that the two cogs are turning, or the drive gear and the bearing are turning and pulling the filament through. Now, I usually test just by holding it in a particular area, holding it nice and tight and just seeing if it's moving my fingers towards the extruder. So that one is being loaded in now, and you can usually look underneath as well and just check that some of the filament is being drizzled out of that left hand side nozzle. Make sure that you've got a nice clean flow. See, the machines are programmed to run for a certain amount of time. You can tell the control panel that you are done if it's coming through okay, and that should stop. Now that filament will cool down quite quickly, so you should be able to remove the excess filament quite soon after. I use an old toothbrush and basically just clean the nozzle head before I then start to do the print. Okay, obviously to unload it would just be using the unload left function or unload right function, and everything just goes in reverse. Now the reason that that may have broken, it might be that it's just a little bit too tight of an angle here, or it might be that you have brittle filament, so you do have to make sure that the temperature of the room isn't affecting the filament that you're putting in there.